Welcome student. I am Assistant Professor Sayali Patil from Sarat College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Department of Commerce. Today I am going to discuss with you topic from subject Cost and Verse Accounting, that is a specialized subject. Topic number 3, Purchase Procedure. In this topic we discuss about the what is purchase procedure, material control, introduction of material control need, essential, function of purchase department, purchase procedure and purchase documentation. As you know, in manufacturing concern, there is a separate purchase department under the control of purchasing officer. And material is a major portion of the total cost of the product. Supplies are also used for the manufacture of product. Both material and supplies are collectively called stores. So the main function of purchase department are to purchase required quantity of material in time so that the store can feed the production department with the continuous supply of material, to purchase better quality of material at a responsible price. So material purchasing, it is a process related with the raw material purchasing in the business organization. Commodities that are supplied to and undertaken to be utilized in the manufacturing process or to be transferred into product are called materials. As you know, there are the two types of material: direct material and indirect material. The terms material are and stores are sometimes used interchangeably, but they are not identical. Stores is a wider term and covers items like sundry supplies, maintenance, stores, tools, etc. While the raw material and the supplies are equivalent to cash, hence the management should exercise control over the materials and stores. So what is material controls? Material controls. So material controls refers to the managerial activity relating to giving instruction or the direction to ensure maintaining adequate quality and quantity of material for uninterrupted production process with objective of minimizing material cost per unit. Both material control and inventory control are not one and the same. Material control is a wider term which includes inventory control. Moreover, the cost of production, planning of material, purchase procedure, transportation and the usage material are the part of material control. So the inventory control is another word. It is a technique of maintaining stocks of desired level, whether they are raw material, work in progress or finished goods, with the primary object of minimizing the cost. Material control is a system that ensures the continuous availability of all types of material in right quantities and request qualities, but without blocking excessive investment in raw material and inventories. Efficient system of material control helps to reduce the losses and the waste of material that otherwise pass unnoticed. It is basically required at 3 different stages: procurement of material, storage of material and usage of material. So material control is a systematic control and regulation over purchasing, storing and consumption of material so as to maintain a smooth flow of production with the optimum investment in inventories. So you can say it is it from the above here, from this above point, you can say material control is a wide function bringing, or you can say it is a include the purchase, receipt, inspection, storage, consumption and price of maintaining a price of material. It implies taking absolute care of number of items of material and their cost from the procurement stage or the initial purchasing stage to ultimate consumption stage. So after this we just discuss the what is the exact next point, that is the need or objective of material control. Why we continue or use material control system in our organization? It ensures the supply of adequate ensuring supply of adequate quality of material means information about the material. Not only the material should be available when required, but there should be also be a system to give complete and up-to-date accounting information about the availability of material. Sometimes inadequate information or the inadequate quantity of material availability of material may causes new purchase to made of the material already in stock or any problem while we running our production functions. Then optimum investment in material as well as control of wastages. Optimum use of material, investment in material means understocking leads to inavailability of material, running out of stock at some times or the others. Storage of material may arise at the time when they are urgently needed and production then is held up. The delay or the stoppage in production due to non-availability of material is very costly and result in loss of profit. Means whenever we discuss it, it is it is very difficult to identify. Prevents overstocking and understocking of material is means optimum investment in material. Quick identification and supply of material for to the production department is possible with the help of material control. Sorry. Prompt issue of material, safeguarding of material from the loss of stock by theft and fire, that is the control over wastages, control of obsolescence and spoilage is possible with the material control. Protection of material from unnecessary wastages of material, protection of stores against pilferage and minimization of storage cost is possible. So the proper quality, that is you can say it is a favorable terms of purchase. Minimum wastages, while purchasing material, due consideration should be given to the quality. It is no use of purchasing material of inferior quality or very superior quality. For each type of product, there is a particular type of quality of material which is needed, and that quality alone should be purchased. So proper control over purchase of material or material control system for the settlement of various problems or settlement of invoices is possible with the help of material control. So the advantages of material, it ensures the availability of material for production. It ensures the continuous flow of material, so production work may not be held up for the want of material or requirement of material. The manufacturer can complete schedule of production in time. Purchasing right quantity, right quality means wastage, achieve economy of buying and storage of cost is possible. Economy in purchasing is important part. The purchasing of material is highly specialized function. So the purchasing material at a reasonable price, the efficient purchaser is available to make the valuable contribution to the success of the material control. So reduce works as a information centers. Means when we discuss the material control or material control center on the provides the information relating to the price, source of supply, specification, mode of delivery, etc. By providing continuous information to the management, it is possible to plan or prepare planning for the production. So the finding out, avoid excessive investment in stock, that is understocking and overstocking, helps in maintaining perpetual inventory system to furnish information to management regarding the material. When we discuss the perpetual inventory systems are the system which is kept all records or transaction in a proper manner, which is available when and where required. It helps in the ascertaining the value of jobs, process and orders. So it is important to material control, which gives the idea about the each and every point related with the material. Essential of material controls means what are the basic points when we applied the material control system in organization. First point, it is a coordination. There should be a proper coordination and cooperation between various departments dealing in material. For example, purchasing department, store departments, receiving and inspection department and account department, etc. Then there should be a central purchasing department, means proper purchasing system should be there. Centralized purchasing department, there are two types of purchase system, centralized and decentralized. In this, there in material control system, centralized purchasing department under the control of component, expert purchase manager are appointed for the purchase of commodity. There should be a proper classification and codification of material. Material requirements should be properly planned It is budgeted headings. So the material requirement should be properly planned. The perpetual inventory system should be operated so that up-to-date information is available about the quantity of material in stock. So the perpetual inventory system, when we render perpetual inventory system in material control or organization, it ensures the availability of the material in the organization. Adequate records should be introduced to control material during production and quantities manufactured for stock. It is necessary to keep all the records. When we use perpetual inventory system, it follows some particular method for the recording of transaction or recording of raw material purchase as well as issue. So the proper recording provides the good of the command over the material control. The storage of all adequate records should be introduced to control materials during production and quantities manufactured for stock. Storage of all material cost will be properly planned and to adequate with the proper safeguard and the supervision of that material. So the storage function it must be a good stock levels. The various stocks levels like minimum, maximum, average levels should be fixed for each item of material. Purchase of material should be controlled through the budgets. So you can say all materials should be purchased, but it should be pre-planned purchase. So you can say it should be properly identify and record in the budget system of organization. And in an efficient system of internal control as well as internal check and internal audit should be implemented so that all transactions involving material are checked by reliable and independent persons. There should be regular reporting to the management regarding purchase issue and stock of material. Special report should be prepared for the absolute, that is the damage, spoilage, return to supplier, etc. A good system of material control is always gives advantages to the organization. It includes the eliminates of waste in use of material, reduce the risk of loss from fraud and theft. It helps in keeping perpetual inventory and other records to facilitate the preparation of preparation of accurate material reports to the management. As well as it reduces the capital tied up in inventory. It means you can easily understand if there is understocking or overstocking of inventories or amounts lock up in inventories. Reduce to cost of storage. When you purchase at a bulky quantity, it gives the benefit of economy of purchase. Furnishes quickly and accurately the value of material used in various departments and prevents production delay due to lack of material by supplying proper quantities at the right time, right quality materials are supplied. So in this session we discuss about what is purchasing of material control, objective of material control, need of material control, advantages of material control as well as essential of material control. In next points we discuss the purchase procedure and the purchase document related with the purchasing procedure.